It is Christmas time, and so I thought that I would do a little video about how I make my take on coquito, which is a Puerto Rican style eggnog. Now what I do is I take most of the ingredients and the methods from coquito, but then I add a little bit of traditional eggnog ingredients. And so I've kind of developed, I guess, my style of eggnog. And, so I thought I would make a video and just kind of share this. And if you want to use it, check it out, see how you like it. So what I use is this, some cinnamon, pure vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, some heavy whipping cream, coconut milk, and my secret weapon right here. We got your Captain Morgan private stock. Now, in my opinion, when you're doing a coquito or a Puerto Rican style eggnog, I want to have a good spiced rum, and I really like the taste of this Captain Morgan private stock, so that's what I use. All right, and so this calls for 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk, 12 ounces or 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 cups of spiced rum, or a little stronger if you would like, depending on how much alcohol you like in your eggnog, 3 whole eggs, and 1 cup of heavy cream. All right, so I'm gonna get that all mixing up and going in Chelsea's KitchenAid here, and let's see how this turns out. All right, so we have our 12-ounce can of excellent ingredients in there. Then I put the KitchenAid down, let it start mixing. Some people do it as the KitchenAid is mixing. I'm not sure if it really matters. This is just how I do it. I have our 14 ounces, 1 can of 14-ounce condensed milk. Now it's good to get the sweetened condensed milk. I like the sweetened condensed milk because it gives you, a good sweet flavor to your eggnog. Kind of balances out the spiced rum and the heavy whipping cream. The other ingredients, because I like to get every bit of this condensed milk out of this can. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Yeah, it's have these little particular ways. There are 2 cups here of coconut milk. This is a good thick coconut milk too. And like I was saying earlier, I'm kind of weird about some things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this can, and I know it's probably not necessary. And I'm use this can, pour it in there, then I pour it in here just to try to hope to get every little bit of that condensed milk out of there that I can. All right, so one cup of this heavy whipping cream. Well, power video. All right, so we have 1 cup of this heavy whipping cream here. Nice and thick. There we go. Now again, I know, unnecessary step here, but it's just a particular thing that I like to do. There we go. All right, so some recipes call for up to 6 eggs. Some call for 2. I do 3 just because I think 3 is the right amount for me. Some people don't put eggs in it at all. I like to actually put eggs in it. So I'm gonna do 3 eggs. And I do the whole egg. Some recipes call for only the yolk. I go ahead and just put the whole egg in there. That's me, the way I like to do it. Like I said, this is my take on a coquito eggnog. So there are a little bit of tweaks and modifications that I've done to make it the way I like it. So then we have 2 teaspoons of, I like this McCormick's pure vanilla extract. Probably should have prepped this a little better. There we go. And of course, it always leaves that little thing there. All right, 2 teaspoons. Uno. And dos teaspoons there. Organic ground cinnamon here. 1/2 teaspoon. Now, I like cinnamon. Sometimes I'll put a little bit more if it's just going to be me drinking it, but there may be some other people drinking this, so I'll just stick with the 1/2. Because cinnamon can be strong. Like I said, I really like cinnamon. Some people don't really like cinnamon as much. So. And the same, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. There we go. Oop. Right there. Easy enough. Now for, oh, that's Drake barking at who knows what. All right, so for the best part of this whole thing, 2 cups of spiced rum. Like I said, my favorite is this Captain Morgan Private Stock Premium Barrel Spiced Rum. So we'll do 2 cups here of that. Boom. It's gonna be some good stuff here, folks. Sucker down. Put it on low. And we let her go to work. And then I will serve this over ice in a mug or a glass, or if I could find one of them moose cups like on National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, that would be cool, but I haven't been able to find any of them. Stay tuned for the fun part. All right, so I put the eggnog in the refrigerator to let it chill for a little bit. I guess about 30 minutes or so, get it nice and cold. All right, so let's see how this tastes. Ooh, looky there. Just a little stir here. Yeah, I'm getting me a big cup. One more scoop. All right, so let's see here. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect. I thought it was going to be a little too strong, but no, it's actually perfect. I might actually add a little bit more rum, but delicious. You got to try this recipe. Best eggnog, in my opinion. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a Happy New Year.
Kyle,
Hey.
let's go.
Oh, no.
Come on. Ryan.
Oh, my ears!
You're not freezing, Kyle? Your jacket's soaked.
I know. Yeah. And it's turning blue. Yeah, it's all wet. Water on your jacket.
Chelsea and I would like to thank you for supporting our channel. We have become increasingly busy with work over the past several months and have not been able to get out and video any cool adventures in a while. We hope to be able to plan some excursions in the near future and get our channel going again. Please stay tuned. We are not giving up.